Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress pages. First, let's understand what pages are. Pages are perfect for static content that doesn't change often, like your About Us or contact information. Unlike blog posts, pages are not time-sensitive and do not use categories or tags. They offer a clean way to present essential information on your website, providing a stable foundation for your site's structure. You can even organize them hierarchically, creating parent and child pages for better navigation. To create a new page, simply log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, find Pages and then click on Add New. This will open the page editor. Start by giving your page a clear and descriptive title, something that accurately reflects its content. Then, use the intuitive block editor to add your text, images, and any other media you need. Remember to save your progress often by clicking Save Draft or Publish when you are ready for it to go live. WordPress pages offer several useful attributes to help you organize your site. In the Page Attributes section, you can assign a parent page, which is great for creating a clear hierarchy, like an About Us page with our team as a child. You can also select a specific page template to give your page a unique look or functionality. Furthermore, you can set the order of your pages and control their visibility, making them public, private, or even password protected for exclusive content. Once you've created your pages, managing them is straightforward. Head to Pages and then All Pages in your dashboard to see a complete list. From here, you can easily edit, quick edit, trash, or view any page. When your page is ready, hit the Publish button to make it live and accessible to your audience. If you need to make changes later, simply edit the page and click Update to ensure your visitors always see the most current information. It's that simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.